If you want to figure out how to make this recipe, let's come with me. I'll show you everything and how to do it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I decided to make some vodka alla pasta, but without the vodka, and I decided to use some shrimps as a topping. So we have all our ingredients. We have the shrimp itself, then we have the rigatoni, the Parmesan cheese, the butter, all our seasonings, tomato paste, onion, and garlic. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I already seasoned the shrimps right here. So now we're going to be frying them until they're thoroughly cooked. I don't know if you guys know this, but I like my shrimps to be nice brown, and I also like them to be veined. As you can see, there's no vein on the shrimp because I deveined them. So you're going to want to mix them until they get cooked thoroughly. As you can see, the shrimps are nice and cooked. That's exactly how we want it. Now that your shrimps are done, you can go ahead and take them out so we can start making the sauce. Now we're going to be making the sauce for the pasta. So we're going to start with the butter. Then when the butter melts, you can go ahead and start adding the onions and garlic. You can add the onions. Then now the garlic. Now we're gonna add all the seasonings to the sauce. Now we can add our tomato paste. Then once all the tomato paste is mixed in with the sauce and everything, once it's sauteed with everything, then we could go ahead and add our heavy whipping cream and the Parmesan cheese, and our sauce will be ready. Now, as you can see, the tomato paste is mixed in with the onions, the garlic, and all the seasonings. We could go ahead and add our heavy whipping cream. Usually this would be the part where we add the vodka, but we're not doing that today because we're Muslim. As you can see, the sauce is very creamy. That's exactly how we want it. After you've been mixing it for some time, you can go ahead and add Parmesan cheese on top. Parmesan cheese is there to thicken up the sauce, making it nice and cheesy. As you can see, our sauce is very, very cheesy. You can see the strings coming down. That is exactly how we want it. After you've been sauteing it for some time, you can go ahead and add the pasta. And a little reminder is, once you're done mixing the pasta in with the sauce, you're gonna wanna save some of that pasta sauce, pasta water, I mean, and add it to the pasta. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some coriander for the color, and we're gonna mix all of that in. As you can see, our pasta is looking beautiful. See, now this pasta is perfect. Now we can go ahead and add some shrimps in there, and then we can plate the food. So now we're gonna go ahead and plate our pasta. This recipe is very, very simple, very, very fast, and it's a nice and easy and delicious dinner. I think you guys should try it. So now we're gonna decorate our pasta. So now we're gonna decorate the pasta with our shrimps. So as you guys can see, this is the final product. It's very, very delicious, very, very simple. I really think you guys should try out this recipe. So let's take a bite. You can see how beautiful and how seasoned the pasta looks. So delicious, so simple, so easy. You guys really have to try out this recipe. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below your opinion on this recipe. Peace.